You see it, look? Very, very nice. It not eat yet and it look nice. Look. Oh, good. Nice. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rinty's Plate. Today I'm going to fry fritters, plantain fritters. This plantain is a big one and it's ripe and soft. I have a cup of flour here, half cup of flour with my one plantain. You know, usually we put the plantain in the plate and take the fork and do this. No, I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm going to put it in my blender, okay? And I'm gonna spice it up with a pinch of salt here, my allspice over there, my nutmeg and my cinnamon, okay? Just a pinch I'm gonna put in my pot. All right, so get started. Okay, this is my plantain and I'm got my blender is right here. So, oh yeah. Cut it up, ripe and nice. Quarter cup of water, I'm gonna put it. Because remember, we have to have the water to mix the flour. Okay, so I'm gonna put my blender on. I think I'm done. Wow, look at it in the pan. Look. See, nice? Very nice. Wow. Nice. Hey. I'm going to take my spoon and take it out because I don't want it waste. Okay. Yes. Alright. Put this aside. Okay, so I'm going to throw my flour in my container here with my plantain. Okay, and I'm gonna put my pinch of salt over here. Yes, and this is my cinnamon. Okay, I'm not gonna put, yes, cinnamon, just a quarter teaspoon. And this is my allspice. See it? You don't have to put a lot. Here goes my nutmeg. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything together now. And it's not hard to do, but it is very, let me tell you, very nice. You see it, look? Very, very nice. It not eat yet and it look nice. Look. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go over to my pot on the fire. And then I start to fry my fritters. Good. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my stove. And I'm going to use this oil, my grapeseed oil. I like to use this fry. Okay. I told you that I'm going to use grapeseed oil. Please, if you're gonna do this, a little tip of oil, not much. See it? See it? Not much. Fritters don't take a lot of oil. Okay. I'm just waiting until the oil gets a little hotter. And you don't have to make them big. Oh, here goes. You don't have to make them big, okay? Press them out for them fat. Okay. All right. Okay, I think they can turn now. Wow, look how they're nice. Look how my fritters, oh my gosh. Look at my fritters. You don't want to turn? Very nice. This can come out, yes. Yes. Guys, when you're doing the fritters, it's taking a lot of oil. Like plantain fritters especially, taking a lot of oil. What you can do is you can put it on a piece of paper towel for it to suck up the oil. Wow, I am finished. Look at my fritters. Look at my fritters, my plantain fritters. I know that they look good and they taste good. Guys, I want you to try this video. Try this video. They come out looking good and I know they taste good. Right? Okay. And don't take much time to do it. Easy going. You want some breakfast in the morning? Quick time. Just wrap up something and just get going. And you can try this with any tea. Hot chocolate, mint tea, ginger tea, any type of tea. And you can eat it with crackers, bread, bagel, everything nice with it. Okay? Hey, I'm gonna try one. See it? Looking good, right? Wow. It tastes very, very, very nice. Yes. And as I told you before, put a piece of paper towel when you do it, that is suck out some of the oil. Because plantain fritters take a lot of oil. It tastes very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, remember, please like, share this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my video. Okay? May God continue to bless each and every one of us. Okay? Bye from now. See you later. Try my plantain fritters at home.